Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable echo mode on your LG TV. So first of all, this mode is not available for all TVs, but just to make sure that it is available on yours, even if you cannot see it right now, let's update the software to the latest version. So open the settings by either selecting the gear icon on your home screen and then selecting gear icon once again to open all settings, or just hold down the settings button on your remote control. After that, navigate to general section. Then in general, you're gonna have to find to see the echo mode feature, but if you don't see it, then either your TV works on a different webOS version, or your software is outdated. If your software is outdated, let's go to support, then select software update, then select check for updates and see if your TV finds any. So if it doesn't find any updates, then there is probably no echo mode on your TV, and if it finds any, then wait for your TV to download and install them, then restart it by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds to turn it off, and then unplug your TV from the power source for about a minute, and after a minute plug it in once again, and then turn on your TV and check if the echo mode appeared in your settings menu. You can also go to the very bottom of the support menu, go to privacy and terms, go to user agreements, and make sure that you have given all the agreements to your TV. So if you didn't, then check the circles next to all of these options, then select agree. And after that, let's once again check if we have any updates. And just to make sure, let's restart the TV. Okay, and so in case the echo mode didn't appear on your list, in your general settings, that simply means that your TV isn't supporting this kind of feature, but you can still go to the energy saving, which is the last option in this menu, and here enable the energy saver by selecting the energy saver tab, which will change the sensitivity of your ambient light sensor in order to adjust your TV screen brightness. So you can either select medium, medium or maximum, but if it dims your screen too much, then either turn it off or select the lower lower settings. And besides, you can also enable eye saver mode by accessing the quick settings menu and finding eye care mode here. Just tap on this dial and this will switch it on. So that's basically all you can do. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.